Hi, I'm Phoebe Howard.
And I'm Nellie Howard-Ossie, and we are the designers for Flower Magazine's Palmetto Bluff Showhouse. We were really excited to take on this project together. It's a mother-daughter design collaboration, and we've had so much fun working together.
So we drew our inspiration from the natural beauty of Palmetto Bluff and the Low Country. The Low Country is one of the prettiest places on earth if you've ever been there. You know, you've got the marshes, it's so green, it's so lush. We didn't want anything to detract from the spectacular view out of the back of this house, so we chose a fairly neutral interior that relied heavily on texture. The overall aesthetic of the house has a Belgian feeling, so we complemented that with our furniture and fabric choices. And there are natural timbers, stone, plaster finishes throughout that are very complementary to the natural linen schemes that we used in our decorating.
We are so excited to bring this project to you and to share our creative vision.
Starting at the bottom of the stairs, we hung this dramatic grouping of sketches from Richard Bauer's art. They're sketches of trees and acorns and all things that feel like they have a vernacular low country feeling.
The dining table is one of the first things you see upon entry. We wanted the table to be a little bit out of the ordinary since it's in such an important place, and this piece delivered everything we wanted. We softened the overall look of the table with a set of wicker dining chairs to keep it casual. We selected an oyster shell chandelier from Currey and Company, and this creates a perfect harmony of not too formal but not too casual. And the oyster shell is of course a perfect nod to the Low Country, which is an area known for oyster roasts. We dressed the table with beautiful tabletop from replacements.